वसुदेवसुतं देवं
वसुदेवसुतं देवं
कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं नमोऽस्तु ते व्यासविशालबुद्धे कुलारविन्दायतपत्रनेत्र येन त्वया भारततैलपूर्णा प्रज्वालितो ज्ञानमय प्रदीपः नमो नमः. Good afternoon, good morning from wherever you are joining. We have started, this is the 5th class on the 16th chapter of Bhagavad Gita, Shodasho Adhyaya, Shat Dasha, 6 and 10, 16th chapter, it's called as Daiva Asura Sampad Vibhaga. It's a classification of divine and demonic estates. Vibhaga Yoga. This the Sampat. According to the nature, you start seeking that type of wealth. Sri Krishna in this chapter says, when did the negativity start? Dyo Bhuta Sarge. Right from the beginning, there is a opposite. Good and bad are there right from the beginning, are there. Last week I talked about Sri Krishna. Sri Krishna is called as Sama. Sama means equal. He is impartial. Impartial, he is giving according to our expectation. Everyone expects differently, and Arjuna and Duryodhana went to him, sought for the help. They were seeking according to their nature, Samoham Sarvabhuteshu. I am equal, I am not partial, and I give according to what you ask. Arjuna asked for him alone, whereas Duryodhana asked of him. Duryodhana asked of Sri Krishna, and Sri Krishna, he said he was so happy with battalion of Sri Krishna, and what I will do with Krishna. He won't fight also. And Sri Krishna has offered to give hundreds and thousands and lakhs of soldiers, well-equipped soldiers, and he thought that was better, good deal. Immediately he did not stop. He went to Balrama. Balrama, Krishna anyway is not fighting. He went to Balrama and sought his help. You come on our side. Balrama said, Duryodhana, you know, you are my favorite. Balrama said, you are my favorite. I tried to defend. In Drupada's court, I tried to say it was Yudhishthira's problem, mistake, because of which he lost the kingdom. I offered, let us negotiate with Duryodhana and we'll request him to help us. But Satyaki in front of Sri Krishna scolded me. So, Krishna, when Krishna also did not reply, so I don't want to go against Krishna. I don't want to go against Krishna, and if I side with you, Krishna won't be happy. On the other token, if I side with Pandavas, you won't be happy. So, I don't want to make you unhappy. What I will do, I won't take any sides. I will go on pilgrimage. I will go on pilgrimage, I will go out. Duryodhana was happy. At last, Balrama is not siding with Pandavas. He was happy. So, Duryodhana, next temptation. Duryodhana, whoever, like in Corona season, whoever comes in contact with Corona patient, they also get contaminated. So is such a negative eye, negative to the core. Whoever he casts his eyes, they get swayed towards them. Even Bhishma, Drona, Kripacharya, noble people, he pocketed them through his so negative. Some good people, so good, they sway people towards their side. He swayed good people on his side. Now Shalya, Madri's brother, Madri, Pandu Raja had two wives. One is Kunti, second is Madri. Madri's brother Shalya was, he heard war was happening. He wanted to go and give moral support to Pandava, Yudhishthira, and join him. So he was coming, Shalya, Duryodhana himself says, there are 4 people best among the wrestlers in the mace. He talks about Bhimascha. First is he himself, Duryodhana says, Bhima. Second is Balrama. Third one is Shalya. And the fourth one is Kichaka. Na Panchama. There is no fifth one. He himself admitted he is not in the competition of in the great fighters. He put Bhima first. Second is Balrama. Third is Shalya. Fourth is Kichaka. Why he said that one? He heard Kichaka was killed. Kichaka was killed, so nobody can kill Kichaka. He is the 4th best. Must be Pandavas. Must be Pandavas, he himself. Now, Shalya was coming on the way. He tempted, had 5-star accommodation along the way. Busy day for the whole army and swimming pool and name a thing, it was there. We, in our conferences, team meeting, our customer meeting, supplier meeting, that is what they do. They take us on a boat cruise to side with them, to give a contract to them. Duryodhana did, and Shalya was so happy. Couple of days he stayed, so luxurious, and he said, whoever has, he thought it was Pandavas had done, whoever has given me hospitality, I am with them. Maybe he was drunk also. What he was talking, I am with them. Immediately Duryodhana came. I was the one who gave the hospitality, and he trapped Shalya also. Shalya went to, after he regretted, went to Yudhishthira. He said, this had happened, my apologies. He said not to apologize, and Yudhishthira, Shalya said, how can I help others? I can't come on your side. I have given my word. I can't break my word. Tell me, how can I help you? Then Yudhishthira said, you become a charioteer for Karna, and while being a charioteer, you demoralize him along the way. Shri Krishna moralized, uplifted, you can. Whereas Shalya was telling Karna, is it a sign of your winning? Better go back. You won't win. Along the way, that he was demoralizing. So it talks about you are the charioteer whom you keep in your life makes a difference. Whom you keep as a role model makes a difference. And Shalya said, okay, I will demoralize Karna. And he agreed to that one. So Duryodhana, he trapped him, and Shalya said, I was going to meet Yudhishthira. Now give me one day, I will just meet him and come. Duryodhana was so cunning, he said, please leave your army here, you alone go. He was not sure if he takes the army, some people may jump the ship. He kept the army and he went alone, and Shalya returned. Now the Pandavas, the war was imminent, and Sri Krishna said, war is imminent, but for people's eyes, we have to make our best effort to avert any war. I will go myself as a messenger, and before going, I will ask everyone's opinion. First he asked Yudhishthira. Yudhishthira said, we want peace at any cost. We want, if they give us the land, there is no war. Yudhishthira was firm, because he was woken up by Bhima and Draupadi in Vanaparva. Now Krishna asked Bhima. Bhima said, at any cost we want to avoid, I want to avoid the war, even if they give 5 small villages, we are happy. And Bhima said, I am even happy to be a helper to Duryodhana. Hearing that one, Krishna laughed. Bhima, you are talking this way. What happened to you? Then immediately Bhima said, what I said, I wanted to avoid the war. Not that I didn't say out of my fear. There is one word I do not know. It is called as fear. Bhima. Bhi means bhaya. Ma means no, no fear. I have no fear. Bhima said, I have so much of energy, I can split the earth into 2 pieces. I have so much of energy, I want to protect the world from war, and thousands are dying. I have no fear, and the Bhima, I can split the earth. Duryodhana is no match for me. Hearing that one, Shri Krishna said, what you said was right. What you said is small compared to your full ability. You can do much more. Prana Shakti. Prana Shakti in Hanuman, in Ramayana also, Hanuman said, I can cross the ocean. Jambavan says, you are saying very little. You have tremendous energy. More than that you can do. Yeah, what you are saying is, you are very polite, and you are saying very out of modesty, you are saying you have lot of energy. And last week, it was, when was that? Thursday was Madhvanavami. Madhvacharya, he had written Bhagavad Gita. Whenever we go to Badrinath, we take something to offer. Some people, they take sweets, laddus on the way, but he wrote a Bhashya. Gita Bhashya, I want to offer it to Vedavyasa. And he had a darshan of Vedavyasa. He submitted to him, and he said at the beginning, I have written best of my ability. Shaktitaha, I am submitting this one. I have written this commentary, best of my ability. Vedavyasa went through and he said, everything is right, but you have to make one correction. You, instead of strike of Shaktita, you put Leshataha. I have written only a little. of what I know, not best of your ability. Best of my ability, so that Hanuman also modesty here also. A lot of energy. Sri Krishna says, I will convey the message where Bhima is there, they can't stand the war against you. Sri Krishna said, the war's responsibility on your shoulder. Then Arjuna also said the same, and Nakula Sahadeva said the same. Draupadi asked, what is your suggestion about this war? She said, no compromise, nothing doing, war must happen, and they should, the Kauravas, they should bite the dust. Until then I have made a vow that I won't tie my hair, war must happen. War must happen, and the Sri Krishna said, I got your message, and Sri Krishna decided to go as an ambassador of Pandavas. The next chapter, it comes in Udyoga Parva. It comes in the 5th chapter. There is a lot of similarity between Mahabharata and Ramayana. Udyoga Parva, this is the 5th one. First is Adi Parva, second one is Sabha Parva, third is Vana Parva, fourth is Virata Parva, fifth is Udyoga Parva. In Ramayana, it comes in the 5th chapter, 5th one. First is Balakanda, Ayodhya Kanda, Kishkinda Kanda, then Balakanda, then Aranya Kanda, Kishkinda Kanda, 5th is Sundara Kanda. In both, this in Mahabharata, 5th chapter, Udyoga Parva is called as Sundara Kanda of Mahabharata. After Udyoga Parva, war happened. In Ramayana, after Sundara Kanda, war happened. Here, Hanuman went as a messenger of Lord Rama, said, you can't stand the wrath of Sri Rama. Sri Krishna here says the same, you can't stand the wrath of Bhima. So, whatever we do to the Lord, he reciprocates. Last week we saw Sri Krishna is Sama. You approach Lord, you are doing a Nevedyam to Lord. Not that he is hungry. Whatever you give, he returns it multifold. Whatever you do, your offering, he returns it multifold. Here Hanuman did. He went as a messenger. And in Purandara Dasaru, he composed a song also. Huva taruvara manege hulla taruva. One who brings the flower, he will be like he will do your menial labor job. You offer some flower to him, he will go one step down, he will be your gatekeeper. It's the why we had to do the sadhana, it is not for him. He goes one step down to give it back. He will be so happy. In 9th chapter, he talked about Patram Pushpam Palam Toyam Yome Bhaktya Prayachati. I don't need anything, even a spoon of water, one flower. Our Deviji brought a flower, one fruit or a leaf. Whatever you give with devotion, I partake it. I am not looking at the price tag on that one or on the quantity. I only look for the devotion. I only look for the devotion. And next week I talk about, I'll continue on that one. Duryodhana, he tried to trap Sri Krishna. What was Sri Krishna's response? We will see next week. Shri Bhagavan Uvacha Abhayam Sattva Samshuddhi Jnana Yoga Vyavastitihi Dhanam Damascha Yajnascha Swadhyaya Tapa Arjavam
arjavam.
That I talked about Bhima. Bhima means no fear. Abhayam. Abha means no fear. Abhayam, Sri Krishna talks about 26 divine qualities. We must acquire divine qualities are inexhaustible wealth. Inexhaustible wealth, it will stay with you life after life. It won't get depleted. Acquire those ones. Abhayam sattva samshuddhi.
Abhayam sattva samshuddhi.
Jnana yoga vyavastitihi.
Jnana yoga vyavastitihi.
Dhanam damascha yajnascha.
Dhanam damascha yajnascha.
Swadhyaya thapa arjavam.
Swadhyaya tapa arjavam.
Abhayam, fearless. Fearless in the changing time, in artificial intelligence time. Things are changing very fast. Things are very changing fast. Hang on to the changeless. You will get stability in your life. If you become a part of change, your feet becomes very shaky, you can't sleep. Abhayam sattva samshuddhi jnana yoga vyavastitihi. Jnana yoga, why we get scared, we think we are responsible. I am responsible to run the house, run my employees. What should I say in front of my colleagues, my friends? If something happens, what will happen? We say, I am responsible. And Earth, the planet Earth is one among 3.2 trillion planets in the galaxy. Planet Earth 3.2. Our sun is one among 200 billion stars. And this galaxy, whatever seen galaxy, there are beyond that one. NASA says beyond seen galaxy, there are 2 trillion such galaxies are there. 2 trillion such galaxies, Milky Ways. So, Earth is insignificant, nowhere. And Sun is nowhere. And even solar system, Milky Way is in motion. When even Sun is, in Kathopanishad says, even Yama is a pickle for me. Is insignificant. Insignificant, we think I am responsible and stressed. Who are you? You are nowhere to be seen. Nowhere to be seen, and still we think I am responsible. It talks about in that the mammoth universe, you are only way appreciating that you are nothing. Only goes as per his. Then everything goes according to his plan, not my plan. You become fearless. Sattva samshuddhi, calm mind, serene mind, jnana yoga vyavastitihi. Thirst for knowledge, acquire knowledge, dhanam damascha yajnascha, magnanimous. When you know nothing belongs to me, then why hang on to the small thing? This is mine. Be magnanimous, damascha, sense control. Sense control, yajnascha, offer your life. Dedicate whatever you are doing as an yajna. You are maybe working in a corporate or traveling in a public transport or eating, socializing, whatever you do, constantly be thinking of the Lord. Think that this is a yajna. Yad karoshi yadashnashi yajjuhoshi dadasi yat tapashyasi kaunteya tat kurushva madarpanam. Whatever you do, may it be a yajna. Yajna, that is, you convert your ordinary action into a divine action. It is yajna. Swadhyaya, constantly uplift your knowledge. keep on reflecting on the scriptures, introspection, tapa, not to get bogged down with the pinpricks in life, straightforward living, arjavam, ahimsa satyamakroda,
ahimsa satyamakroda,
tyaga shantirapaishunam,
tyaga shantirapaishunam,
daya bhuteshu aloluptvam,
daya bhuteshu aloluptvam,
mardavam hrirachapalam,
mardavam hrirachapalam.
Daya bhuteshu, when you know you are so insignificant, then you start appreciating others also. They are also co-travelers, they are also struggling. And Nargis ji, she was talking about, she herself is 87-year-old, husband is 89, and she was saying that what to do, he's old, and I have to help him. Appreciating, not that complaining, can't he look after himself? What to do, he's also old, I have to help him. Daya bhuteshu, compassion to everyone, aloluptvam, not to keep on hoarding, grabbing everything. This is mine. Mardavam, it's the soft spoken. Hri means shy to do wrong things. Achapalam, chapala means craving, controlling the craving. Yesterday in the mindful mastery course, I talked about that one. Chapala, we think tongue is the driver. Is the tongue is the real driver? I gave them this example also. And children, around 25-30 children were there. They were so happy. At the end, everyone clapped. So good. And they could able to relate to what I was talking about. And ahimsa satyamakroda. Ahimsa means your life is not a burden for others. Best ahimsa, live such a way that you are not a burden to your husband or wife or your children. When you are old, try to be independent. Satyamakroda, satya, truth. Akroda is not getting angry, and even the sattvic people get angry, but they can reconcile themselves very quickly. Other people, krodha, when they get, they say, I won't, they make a pledge also, I will destroy that person. Shanti means calm within. Apaishunam, no backbiting. Tejakshama dhriti shaucha. Adroho na atimanita. Bhavanti sampadam devi. Abhijatasya Bharata. The reason he addressed Arjuna, Sri Krishna is addressing all the keen students of Gita as Bharata. Bharata means one who revels in knowledge, one who revels in light, one who revels in moving up in life. He addresses all of us. Teja, the divine wealth, is dynamic person, not a dull person. You have to tell him 10 times, please do, please do, please do. Not a lazy person. Just an inkling. And in the Puranas they talk about Bhagavatam also. And Lakshmi, only looking at the eyebrow of Narayana, she gets the things. No communication. Only looking at the eyebrow. So much that dynamism is there. And not waiting, let him tell 2 times, 3 times. Wife will be saying, have you done that one? Have you done that one? You are not hearing. We are not hearing. And Dynamism. Dynamism, not a laid back on the weekend on the couch and not getting up. Teja, dynamic. Apratim. You heard that one. Dynamic. Dynamism. Teja. Kshama. Teja, Kshama. Pardoning. And Ramachandra says, even Ravana comes at this juncture and asks for my protection, I will give. Kshama. The Ramachandra says, no, that type of the Kshama is there, and Sri Krishna he says, you be not to apologize to me, you apologize to Pandavas, I will wipe out all your sins. The Kshama Bhava. Kshama Bhava is the virtue of a great people. Dhriti is not giving up. Shaucha, purity. Shaucha, purity is in Niyama, the first quality talked about Shaucha. Shaucha is the first quality you must have in your life. If you are cooking, if the vessel is not clean, so whatever you prepare, it will get defiled. So, first quality, you have to have purity. In the hospital system, they have gloves and they protect everything, that clean everything. In the hospital system also, they observe that one. Shaucha, adroho na atimanita. One who trusted them, one who banked on them, not to backstab. Adroho na atimanita. Not to be too proud of things which you have done if something has gone right. At the same time, something did not go right, not to keep on blaming, because of me, it's a failure. Because of me. That is also ego. Success, because of me, I'm successful. Because of me, I go into depression. I'm failure. I let the family down. I let this one team down. Because of me, Sri Krishna says, na atimanita. Balance. It's nothing goes as per your plan. Yes, the room is there to improve, not to keep on blaming yourself and keep on shedding tears. And that is one of the topics in mastering the mind mastery. It's emotional balance. How to balance that one? That is also one of the qualities. Bhavanti sampadam devi. These are the devi sampad. Dhambodarpo abhimanascha. Krodha parushya evacha. Ajnanam cha vijatasya. Partha sampadamasurim. Partha sampada, it is talking about Dhamba. Dhamba means over-projecting yourself. Over-projecting yourself to show off. That is another topic I will talk about in mastering the mind. And we yesterday, did I say yesterday, and or today I spoke about we put on a makeup. I am putting a makeup standing in front of the mirror half an hour. Makeup means I am not good enough. I want to make up to certain level. So my subconsciously I think I am not good enough. In Mahabharata, it talks about Draupadi. Draupadi is so naturally beautiful, even makeup became more beautiful because of Draupadi. We are not becoming more beautiful because of the makeup. Because of that one, makeup should feel proud. I am proud to be here. We make up, we are the Dhamba. Damba means if I am going to the party, I want to make up to a certain level so that people will think I am something else. They should not know who I am. They should think I am something else. That is Damba. Damba, Darpa means arrogance. Abhimanascha, so proud, proud of one's possession, one's wealth. Krodha, anger. Parushya, very rough person. Very rough person. And Parushyam Ajnanam Chabijatasya. Parushya, one example Ramayana has given in the Shurpanaki's husband. It was a night battle. It was everyone, they were fighting. Shurpanaka's son was siding with Ravana. In the battle, he was ruthless also. He did not see who is fighting, and he killed Shurpanaka, his own sister's husband also. And she cried, "Hey brother, what have you done?" He said, "Not to worry, you find another husband." And no care, that is rough. I don't care, there are many people, you find them. Parushyam Ajnanam, these are the why we get these qualities. Seed is ajnana. Ignorance is the seed. Because of these ones, with these 5 qualities, Damba, Darpa, Abhimanascha, Krodha, Parushya, comes out, the seed is ignorance. Shri Krishna says, why you have to acquire the divine, not demonic. Daivi sampad vimokshaya.
Daivi sampad vimokshaya.
Nibandhaya asuri mata.
Nibandhaya asuri mata.
Mashucha sampadam devi.
Mashucha sampadam devi.
Abhijatosi pandava.
Abhijatosi pandava.
Why you have to acquire the divine wealth? Daivi sampad vimokshaya. Acquiring those divine qualities will freeze you up. No burden, or if the demonic wealth, the Damba, Darpa, they make you helpless. Helpless, I am projecting myself to be in the company of some politician. So, if I am projecting myself, and so whatever other person, politician says, I have to dance to that person's tune. He will call me at morning 5 o'clock, come and wait outside. I have to wait. Come in the evening. I have become a slave. I have become a bonded laborer. No more freedom. For example, at work, I am aspiring to get a promotion. I want to please my boss whatever way. Whatever he says, I will say yes, yes, yes. My helpless life. Whereas, on the other token, promotion is not the goal. I will do my best. There is a freedom. I will do my best. I will do my work. I am not here just to please the boss to get that position. If I am aiming for that one, life is filled with stress, anxiety, fear. On the other token, you are doing your job honestly. You are throwing your heart. There is a freedom. Freedom is there. That is the Daivi Sampad Vimokshaya, Nibandhaya, the demonic wealth, it binds you, makes you helpless in life. It will haunt you till death and beyond also. Ma Shucha, Shri Krishna tells all of us through Arjuna, Ma Shucha. Shucha means not to cry. Cry, Shri Krishna in Bhagavad Gita, 3 times he tells, don't cry, don't cry. You are not here to cry. Shucha, Ashochya Nanvashochastvam. In the beginning, he says, you are not crying. And in the last, he says, it's Dharma Samsthapanarthai. Shuchaha, Ma Shuchaha. In the last, he says, here again, Shucha, that don't cry. Devi Sampad, you have got the Devi Sampad. Stop crying in your life. Be happy. Stop crying in your life. Abhijatos, you are born with a divine wealth. Why cry? You don't have that one. You have a divine wealth. What more you want? Not to cry in your life. Not to cry. It will, you are always free. You are very dear to me. Dyo bhuta sargo lokesmin. Daiva asura evacha. Daivo vistarasha prokta. Asuram partame shrunu. Dyo bhuta sargo, right from the beginning, these two qualities exist. When the bad people were not there, when good people were not there, always were there. We hear in the Puranas, in Satya Yuga, there was demonic forces were there. Treta Yuga, demonic forces were there. Dwapara, demonic forces were there. Now it is there, it will be there also. Both are, these quality people are always are there. Shri Krishna says, you come on the other side, minority side. Divine quality people are always on minority like Pandavas. Majority are like Kauravas. Don't go side with the Kauravas. Come to the, be proud that you are a minority. I tell in the class also, be proud that you are a minority. And Dyo Bhuta Sargo Lokesmin, Daiva and Asura. Asura means divine. Asura means even humans also can be called as Asura. Asura means not divine. Asura and demonic people. I talked about divine qualities. Now I will talk about the traits of demonic people. Pravrittimcha nivrittincha janana vidurasuraha na shaucham na pichacharo na satyam teshu vidyate pravrittimcha nivrittincha. They do not know what to do, what not to do. Pravritti means get engaged, what not to get engaged. They do not know what to invest in, they do not know what to invest in. They do not know when to wake up, they do not know when to sleep. They do not know what to eat, they do not know what not to eat. They do not know whom to make friendship, they do not know whom to make friendship with. Pravrittincha nivrittincha jana na vidura asura. They do not know. No clue. No clue. Na shaucham. There is no purity. In the divine quality, it talks about purity. No purity in their talking, thinking and action. Na api acharo. No achara. Achara means their lifestyle. Tomorrow I will talk about achara and vichara. No achara. No achara for them. No, their the lifestyle, there is no routine and no sanctity in their life. Na satyam, there is no truth. They don't mean what they talk. They say something but they do not know. In scriptures also talk about one who tells a lie, Saraswati won't be there in that person's tongue. That person will become very dull in the coming lives. Saraswati dances in someone's tongue, and one who abides by the truth. Whatever that person says comes true. And this person has no satya. Teshu vidyate. Asatyam apratishtam te jagad ahura anishwaram apaspara sambhutam kim anyat kamahaitukam. this one, this is a new shloka today. Asatyam apratishtam te
Asatyam apratishtam te
jagadahura anishwaram
Jagadahuranishwaram
apaspara sambhutam
Aparaspara sambhutam
kimanyait kama hetukam.
Kimanyaitamahaitukam.
Asatya, there is no truth in this world. We hear people, if you are good, you can't survive in this world. We hear people are talking. If you are honest, you can't survive. If you are good, you cannot survive in this world. You have to be cutthroat and bad. We hear people, these demonic people, they talk about that nature, asatyam. Asatyam pratishtam te. This world is established on falsehood. There is no, you can't scale up the ladder by being good. Try to be bad as you can, like politicians in India. If they go to prison and come back, it is everyone will garland you. There is a procession on the elephant also. It is a title. That's yes, I got a new qualification. It's they take. There is no shameness in them. I went to the prison. They come out as the champion and hero. Asatyam apratishtam. Asatya, this there is no Bhagavan is not there. World is established on untruth and falsehood. And in Duryodhana also says, Rutam krutva gritam pitva. Take, beg, buy or steal, enjoy your life. You take a loan and drink ghee. That is what Duryodhana said. And modern day, beg, buy or steal, you enjoy your life. That is the trend. These demonic people, Jagad, Ahu, Anishwaram, there is no God. God is not there. They will argue, if God is there, show me. God is not there, and they say the world is continuing because of the opposite sex. Purpose of life is only to enjoy. Kama hetukam, you enjoy, drink, dine and dance. That is the ultimate. That is the God. For us, it's the God. Every Friday, go and queue up in the pub and enjoy, chill out whole night. That is the God. For me, people argue, that is, I see God in that one. I see God, I enjoy. Their argument is that one. There is no higher things. What you see here, what you enjoy, that's it. Etam drashti avastabhyam nashtatma alpabuddhayah prabhavantya ugrakarmana kshayaya jagata ahita etam drashti avastabhya nashtatma nu alpabuddhayah prabhavantya ugrakarmana kshayaya jagata ahitaha. Etam, their thinking is this way. Etam drishti. Ma astabhya, they have avastabhya, this wrong thinking, this the devilic thinking. Their thinking is this way. There is no higher thing. Just enjoy and be selfish and get as much as you can. Don't care about others. Ma vastabhya etam drashtu ma vastabhya nashtatma. They go down, they ruin themselves. Alpa buddhayaha. They have limited intellect. They do not know that they do not know. If somebody says, they get very angry also. Alpa buddhayaha, limited intellect. Prabhavantya ugra karmana, they are engaged in the torturous work, only to show off that they are doing a lot of, in Kumbh Mela also, many, in the name of sadhus, they are doing lot of gimmicks. Ugra karmana, piercing the body or sitting with the fire around or buried under the soil. Ugra karmana, only the gimmick. It has these ugra karmana, there is no sanction in the scriptures. It is only a cheap popularity. Prabhavantya ugra karmana kshayaya jagato. They ruin themselves. They live for destruction of the world. Their only objective is, how can I cause trouble to others? Jagato ahita. Whereas divine people always thinking on, how can I contribute to others? Whereas demonic people always think about, how can I destroy the peace in someone's life? How can I ruin others' life? They are contrary. Jagato ahitaha. Kama ashritya dushpuram.
Kama ashritya dushpuram.
Dambamana madanvitaha.
Dambamana madanvitaha.
Kama ashritya dushpuram. Dushpuram. Damba mana madanvita. Mohad grihitva asad. Mohad grihitva asad grahan. Pravartante ashuchi vrataha. Not shuchi, ashuchi. Kama ashritya dushpuram. Dambamana madanvitaha. Mohad grihitva asadgrahan. Pravartante ashuchi vrataha. The kama ashritya, only desire prompted, only selfish desire. Hook or crook, I have to get it. Kama ashritya dushpuram, and they have all bad habits, and dhamba means only show off in front of others that that is the new way of living. Mana, they are so concerned about their name and fame. If anything comes, they want to see their name should be at the top. Mana madhanvita. Madha means very arrogant, puffed up with their wealth and the political connection. Mohad, confused, delusioned. Asat, they are holding on to the wrong ways. There are the Sat Shastra, Asat Shastra. What is the right way of sadhana, wrong way of sadhana. Asat Grihitva, they take up the wrong way. Wrong way, it's in the Kumbh Mela also. Agoris are there, another type of Naga. They say they eat dead people. Dead people, there is no sanction, but there is in our scriptures, there is a Kanada. There is one, if you reduce everyone to the atom level, everyone is the same. They argue, if I eat a fruit, it has, what is that, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, it is only made of that one. This flesh also, it is only made up of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. What is the difference? Their argument break down, and in the deepest, finest level, it is the same. Different combination, I am eating that one. So, there is no scriptural sanction, asat. They think if they eat flesh and they get special siddhis. People are doing the sadhana in the Kumbh Mela. Many people, media people will go after them. People want some, I want siddhi, they go after them. They hardly follow the sattvic sadhana. General public, they are not very keen on sattvic sadhana. What is the right way to worship God? What Sri Krishna says, Bhagavatam says. We don't want that one. We want only the cheap gimmick. Asad grihitvan pravartante. They lead very ashuchi. Ashuchi, their vrata is very ashuchi. Not pure. They follow the trait of impurity. Then they are doing that one. So what is the outcome? Chinta aparimeyam cha pralayam anta upashritaha kamopabhoga parama yeta vadati nischita. They are doing all these demonic traits. So are they happy? Full of worry. Their life asks them all mental health problem. They will be coming to Dr. Devi ji, ask for the drug. Give me sleeping tablet. Give me sleeping tablet. Give me some drug. It's some morphine. Give me something. Full of worries. They go to they do all this. They can't sleep. Full of worries. Chinta aparime. Countless worries. They will come to the doctor, and 1 hour they can sit and threaten the doctor also. Dr. Deviji was saying that many patients, they threaten also. Give that drug, otherwise I will create a nuisance. They can go to any extent. The chintam aparimeyancha pralayam anta upashritaha. They are up to their death, they are like that. Up to their death. Kamopabhoga parama. If they get a drug or alcohol, only enjoy. I want to have a drug or alcohol. In America, who was that? They were Sumana also talking about Los Angeles. Now they made marijuana. It's it is not a crime, so it is not illegal. It's Los Angeles also full of druggies. Youths are getting succumbed. We only see the outer picture. It's people are getting into the demonic type of people, not guided properly, get sucked in. Eta vadati nischita. Have drug, alcohol, this is the ultimate happiness. That is what they say. We'll repeat these 4 shlokas we covered. Asatyam apratishtam te jagadahura inishwaram apaspara sambhutam himanyet kama haitukam etam drashtamavashtabhya nashtatmano alpabuddhayah prabhavantya ugrakarmana क्षयाय जगतो अहिताः
क्षयाय जगतो हिताः
कामाश्रित्य दुष्पूरम् दम्भमानमदान्विताः
दम्भमानमदान्विताः
गृहीत्वा असद्ग्राहान्
मोहान् गृहीत्वा सद्ग्राहान्
प्रवर्तन्ते अशुचिव्रताः
प्रवर्तन्ते शुचिव्रताः
चिन्तामापरिमेयाञ्च
चिन्तामापरिमेयाञ्च
प्रलयं यान्त उपाश्रिताः
प्रलयान्तामुपाश्रिताः
कामोपभोगपरमा
कामोपभोगपरमा
एतावदति निश्चिताः
एतावदति निश्चिताः
वसुदेवसुतं देवं
वसुदेवसुतं देवं
कंसचाणूरमर्दनं
कंसचाणूरमर्दनं
देवकी परमानन्दं
देवकी परमानन्दं
कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम्
कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम्